Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the main components of our tool and demonstrate how to use them with a real-world example. In this example, we will be mapping a raw clinical data set from PubMed to Genomic Data Commons. Here along the y-axis, we have attributes from the source dataset. Along the x-axis, we have the three-level ontology from target schema. Let's start with an overview of the interface. On your screen, you'll see several key panels: the shortcut panel, the control panel, the timeline, the heat map, and the agent panel. In the shortcut panel, you have quick action buttons. The Accept button lets you accept a selected candidate match. The Reject button is for rejecting a candidate. The Discard button allows you to remove a source attribute if none of the candidates are valid. Use the Redo and Undo buttons to easily correct mistakes. Finally, the Export button lets you save your curated dataset as CSV or JSON. Note that the Upload File button is not part of this demo. Next, the Control panel helps you manage the data you're working with. Source Attribute Selection. Choose which source attribute to view on the heat map. By default, all attributes are displayed. Similar Attributes slider. Adjust this to show similar source attributes arranged by similarity. Candidate Threshold slider. Use this slider to filter out candidates below a certain recommendation score from 0 to 1. The timeline displays a history of all your operations, making it easy to track and review your actions throughout the session. Now let's explore the heat map, which is central to our tool. You can filter the view by accepted, unmatched, or all candidates. The color palette indicates the candidate recommendation score. Deeper colors show a stronger match. Accepted candidates appear in green, rejected in red, and highlighted candidates have a black stroke with blue text. Each node represents a source target matching candidate. Hover over a node to see details and click to expand it, revealing the value distribution histograms for both the source and target attributes. Below the heat map, you'll find the value comparison table. The selected source attribute is pinned on the left, and when you select a target attribute, its unique values are compared side by side using fuzzy string matching. This view helps you verify the candidate's validity based on unique value matches. Lastly, the agent panel provides intelligent support. Here, you'll see a diagnostic summary of the candidate matches along with detailed explanation cards. You can give feedback on these explanations using the thumb up or thumb down buttons. Additionally, the panel displays Genomic Data Commons attribute descriptions to assist with your analysis. Let's see our tool in action with a few examples. Consider the candidate mapping gender to gender. The system automatically accepts this match due to high similarity in both column names and values. You can see this reflected in the heat map as a green node. Next, take the mapping ethnicity self-identify to race. Although the column names differ, the value comparison table shows similar values like Asian and white. An explanation card confirms this overlap in demographic classifications, and you can choose to accept the match. For attributes like path, stage, reg, lymph nodes, PN, if none of the top matches seem valid, use the search bar to enter path. This will highlight relevant target attributes. In our demo, selecting AJCC pathologic N shows matching value distributions, and the agent confirms it as a valid match. You can then accept the candidate. If you encounter an attribute, such as case ID, where none of the recommendations are valid, simply select one of the candidates and click the discard button. The attribute will then be marked as discarded and appear gray in the Source Attribute Selection panel. If you want to export the source attributes that have been processed, accepted, rejected, or discarded, click the Export button in the top left corner to save your work as CSV or JSON.